I'm the faster racer.
No, I'm the faster racer.
I'm going to win this round.
No, I'm going to win this round.
No, I am.
No, I am.
Next up, we have Batman versus the Joker.
Oh, oh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes, haha, I win. Whoa!
No way! That is so close! Hello and welcome to this Mega Garage Mega Competition! So the rules are simple. 2 cars go head to head, race down the slope, jump off the ramp, and whoever goes the farthest wins! And you invited someone to be the judge, didn't you? Yes, I did. Today's judge is... I said, today's judge is... Oh, where is he? You forgot to invite someone, didn't you? No, I remembered. Oh?
I'm here. Whoa. Oops. I'm here. Hello.
There he is. It's Batman. Batman? He's only just been our judge.
Yeah, but this time I'm the judge while the Joker's racing.
What? Hey, that's not fair. Funling, this must be against the rules.
Sorry, Joker. We don't make up the rules.
Yes, you do. It's the only thing you do.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Ooh, I also have this Mash'em, so if anyone bumps into it, they win it and can open it.
Awesome, Batman. So everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Elsa versus King Leonard up first. Ooh, it's close. Wow, look at that. King Leonard wins. Just. Well done. Patrick versus Woody. Oh wow, look how close Woody was to winning the Mash'em. You still beat Patrick though, so go through to the next round. The Joker versus Nemo. Oh wow, the Joker got even closer to the Mash'em.
Hey, I didn't bring a Mash'em here just for the Joker to win it.
But he didn't win it, Batman.
Oh yeah.
So who goes through, Batman?
Oh yes. Nemo goes through.
Batman, be fair.
Oh, okay. I guess the Joker went farther, so he goes through.
Thank you, Batman. Daffy Duck versus Owlette. Both got caught up in the trees, but it looks like Daffy went farther, so goes through to the next round. Doctor Strange versus Hot Rod. Wow, Doctor Strange went really far and almost hit the Mash'em. And Hot Rod didn't even make it off the ramp.
Hot Rod!
If you want to win, you need to jump.
Robot Funling versus McQueen.
He hit the Mash'em! He hit the Mash'em!
Yeah! I did it. I win the Mash'em. Oh look, it's Penguin.
Well, it's no Batman Mash'em, but it's still nice.
And that's not all, Robot Funding. You went farther than McQueen too, so you're into the next round as well. Woohoo!
Bugs Bunny versus Iron Man. They rolled quite a lot, but Iron Man's ahead, so he's into the next round. And Thomas versus Francesco. Uh-oh. Oh no, and now Francesco's stuck. Wait, I'm almost there. Yes!
What a rubbish race. But I guess Thomas made it eventually, so he goes through.
So these cars won that round. Who can win again?
King Leonard versus Woody. Ooh, 2 great jumps, but King Leonard is ahead, so goes through. The Joker versus Daffy Duck. A great jump by Daffy, so you're into the next round.
Ha ha! Bye bye, Joker!
Doctor Strange versus Robot Funling. Robot Funling's ahead, so he's into the next round. You're having a great competition so far. And Iron Man versus Thomas. Not again. Ah, there we go. Good jump. Ooh, and another good jump.
Whoa, what a race! Who wins?
Whoa!
No way! That is so close!
Iron Man wins it by millimeters.
Well done, Iron Man.
So these are our final 4.
Which 2 of them will be our finalists?
King Leonard versus Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck rolled off the screen, so you're our first finalist. And Robot Funling versus Iron Man. Ooh, a great race, but Iron Man's ahead, so he's into the final 2.
So, this is it. The final.
Between Daffy Duck and Iron Man.
1 race, 1 winner.
But who will it be?
Ooh, it looks like we have a winner. It's
Iron Man! Well done. Welcome to this Team Balance Breakout Competition. The rules are simple. 2 teams go head to head, firing a competitor one at a time over the ramp and into the baskets. The scales will then determine which basket is the heaviest. The heaviest basket will win and the other will burst open. So let's meet the teams. We have Team Funling, Team Other, Team Toy Story, and Team Superhero/Villain.
Wait a minute, so do I have to be on the same team as Batman?
Hey, I don't want to be on the same team as the Joker. I want to beat him.
Yeah.
Well, you're on the same team today.
Oh.
And our judge today is Catboy.
Good luck, everyone.
So, everyone's in their vehicles, so let's start the competition.
It's Team Toy Story versus Team Funling first. Here goes Driver Funling. Oh, he's flown over it. Can Forky do better? Yes, he made it. Can Rascal Funling make it too? Oh dear. Here's Woody to give Team Toy Story a big lead. Oh no, he missed. Super Funling now. Nicely done. Here's Buzz. Oh no. Robot Funling to give his team the edge. Yes, perfectly done. Bo Peep really needs to make this. Oh no, where's she going? Rascal Funling might be able to win it now. Yes, he wins it. Team Toy Story's basket has opened.
Well done, Funlings. You're in the final. But will Team Superhero or Team Other join you?
Patrick first. Good start. Here's Hulk. He made it too. McQueen now. Nicely done. Spider-Man. Yes, he's in too. Ace. Perfect from both teams so far. I'm going next.
No, I am.
Me.
No.
Come on, you two.
Oh, fine.
Ha ha, this is how you do it, Batman.
Joke says what?
What? Oh, I missed.
Ha ha, you missed.
Only because you distracted me. Nemo could win it here. Ah, but he didn't make it.
This is how you do it, Joker.
You're gonna crash.
What? Ooh.
Haha, see, told ya.
Hey, come on. If you two distract each other, we'll never win.
Nemo to win it. Yes, he did it!
Superheroes, do you know why you lost?
Yeah, Batman was rubbish.
No, the Joker was rubbish.
No, it's because you two didn't work as a team.
Oh, sorry, Hulk.
Yeah, sorry, Hulk.
Well, I think they've learned their lesson, so let's get on with the final. Team Funling versus Team Other.
Patrick first. Very good. Here's Driver Funling. Oh, he missed! Now it's McQueen. He's in too. The Funlings need to catch up. Rascal Funling made it. Here's Ace. Nicely done. Super Funling. Yes, he's in. Nemo could win it here. Oh, but he missed. Can Robot Funling level the scales? Yes, he can. So now both teams only have one racer left.
Ooh, let's make this interesting. Why don't they both race at the same time?
Yeah, that sounds exciting. So both of them will have to jump at the same time.
Ready? Go!
Driver Funling's in, but Nemo's not.
Wow, so that means today's winners are the Funlings. Well done, Funlings. Great teamwork. Hello and welcome to this Turbine Twister competition. The rules are simple. 2 cars race around this track at the same time, and whoever stays on the track the longest wins.
Huh, no sign of the Joker. Looks like he doesn't want to race me today.
And our judge today is the Joker.
Hello, everyone.
Uh-oh.
Good luck, everyone.
Except you, Batman. Hey, did you hear that?
Yeah, he just wished everyone luck today, didn't you?
Yeah, I said good luck, everyone.
Except you, Batman.
What?
Oh, nothing. Everyone, get into your vehicles.
Hey, I say that. Everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Mickey versus Red up first. They're in. Ah, Red flipped, so Mickey goes through to the next round. Catboy versus Patrick. Oh, Catboy has fallen already, so Patrick goes through. Maleficent versus Ace. Maleficent's in. Whoa! Maleficent smashed Ace off the track there, so you go through. Batman versus Ultron.
I hope Batman falls off straight away.
Oh, Batman's fallen off straight away, so Ultron's into the next round.
Hey, the Joker distracted me.
What? But I've just been standing here, haven't I?
Yeah, he's just been standing there. Unlucky Batman.
Bo Peep versus McQueen. That was quick. McQueen bumped Bo Peep off, so he goes through. Superman versus Wizard Funling.
Whee! Whee! Oh dear.
Ah, Wizard Funling flipped, so it's Superman who goes through. Duke Kaboom versus Hulk. Wait, I thought Hulk's car doesn't fit on this track. Whoa! They both fell, so who goes through?
Ooh, tough one to call. Joker?
No, it's not tough. Hulk didn't fit, so he's out and Duke goes through.
Fair enough. Nice one, Duke.
And Blue versus Nemo. Ah, Blue fell off, so Nemo is into the next round.
So these competitors won that round.
and none of them were Batman.
Who will win again?
Mickey versus Patrick. That was quick. We'd barely got going before Patrick smashed Mickey off the track. Well done, Patrick. Maleficent versus Ultron. Ooh, nicely played, Maleficent. You're into the next round. McQueen versus Superman. Superman's in, and oh dear, as soon as McQueen entered, he got knocked off the track, so Superman goes through. And Duke versus Nemo. Ah, oh dear, not a great race. Duke fell off straight away and Nemo fell shortly after, but because you lasted slightly longer, you go through, Nemo.
So these are our semi-finalists.
Who will make it to the final? Patrick versus Maleficent. Maleficent has flipped, so Patrick is our first finalist. But will Superman or Nemo be in the final too? Oh, Superman fell off for some reason, so Nemo's into the final.
So, this is it. The final.
Between Patrick and Nemo.
One race, one winner.
But who will it be? They're in. Oh, and there goes Nemo.
Wow, so today's winner is Patrick. Well done. Hello and welcome to this Quick Launch Farthest Wins competition. Everyone will be racing in pairs today, so you'll all team up with the person standing next to you.
Yay!
Yay! No.
No.
I'm not teaming up with him.
I don't want to race with Batman.
Well, you'll have to. So the rules are simple. 2 pairs will go head to head. 1 pair will launch out together, then the other pair will go, and whichever pair goes the farthest wins. Now I don't think we'll need a judge today. Nah, we don't need a judge. So everyone, get into your vehicles.
And let's begin. Buzz and Woody versus Nemo and Dory. Here goes Buzz and Woody. Ooh, very good, Buzz. Now it's Nemo and Dory. Ooh, so close, Dory.
Ooh, we might regret not having a judge. But because Dory didn't quite reach Buzz's line, Wood and Buzz go through.
Patrick and SpongeBob versus McQueen and Holly. Oh no, SpongeBob doesn't fit. And that wasn't brilliant, Patrick. Oh, now Holly didn't make it. But it didn't matter because McQueen beat Patrick's record. So you and Holly are through. Wonder Woman and Superman versus Spider-Man and Iron Man. Uh-oh. Ooh, nice one, Superman. Uh-oh. Oh dear. Iron Man blocks Spider-Man. So you're out and you two go through. Ace and Thomas versus Blue and Red. Thomas doesn't fit. But that's pretty good, Ace. Oh no. Ah, rubbish. So Ace and Thomas are through. Batman and the Joker versus Star-Lord and Groot. I want to go first.
No, I'm first.
Fine, you're so difficult. Not bad, Joker. Ooh! Oh yes, great move, Groot. You beat the Joker's line, so go through.
Why didn't you push me like that?
Because you didn't go far enough in the first place.
Ooh, maybe we shouldn't have paired those two together. Oh well.
Bo Peep and Forky versus Robot Funling and Super Funling. Very nice. Yep, Forky went the farthest. Oh! Ooh, they couldn't quite beat it, so you two are through. Vader and Stormtrooper versus Hulk and Thor. Yep, not bad. Oh dear. Ah, not great. So you two are into the next round. And Catboy and Owlet versus Maleficent and Elsa. Ooh, did Owlet block Catboy from going really far? Wow, both Elsa and Maleficent beat Catboy's record, so you're definitely through.
So these cars won that round. Which pairs can win again?
Woody and Buzz versus Holly and McQueen. Ooh, nice. Well done, Woody. Can these two beat that? Oh, not quite. Oh, brilliant, Holly. Now McQueen has beaten it, so you two are through. Wonder Woman and Superman versus Ace and Thomas. Ooh, very coolly done, Superman. Thomas still doesn't fit. But Ace doesn't need him.
Wow, Thomas, you made it through 2 rounds without even moving.
Groot and Star-Lord versus Bo Peep and Forky. Uh-oh. Oh, what a great plan, you two. And these two couldn't beat it, so you're through. And Vader and Stormtrooper versus Maleficent and Elsa. Looks okay. Not bad. Oh, Elsa easily beats it. So is Maleficent, so you two are through.
So these are our semi-finalists. Who will make it to the final?
Holly and McQueen versus Ace and Thomas. Uh-oh. Oh dear, that wasn't very good. Hey, I fit in the launcher, as long as I go first.
So you could have raced all along.
Oh yes, and you both easily beat Holly's record, so you're into the final. And Groot and Star-Lord versus Elsa and Maleficent. Pretty good. Almost, and not quite, which means you two are also into the final.
So this is it, the final, between Thomas and Ace, and Star-Lord and Groot. Which pair can go the farthest? Who do you think will win?
Not bad, Thomas. Can these two beat that? Groot knew he couldn't make it, so he swerved to the side. Can Star-Lord do better? Yes, he can! Just!
So today's winners are Groot and Star-Lord. Well done. Great teamwork.